Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you here a single story unfinished dwelling located in the quiet family oriented gated community of Bushy Park, St. Catherine. The house is laid out as follows. The completed section of this house consists of an entrance foyer, living and dining, kitchen, master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, one other bedroom with ensuite bathroom and own closet, washroom and veranda. The incomplete section of this house consists of two bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, and the land area is approximately 10,173 square feet. Other features of this house includes ceramic tile and porcelain tiling, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, central location, easy access to amenities, family oriented, low maintenance yard, quiet area, landscaped, paved road, level lot, and gated community. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $143,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.